Hello everyone, welcome to Dormitory Talk. My name is Elkana Olivia Malau, your host for today. In this episode, we will talk with some nursing students about their daily routines and hobbies. But first, let me introduce you to our guest for today. The first one, there is Yundri. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Yun Risna. I am 17 years old and I am hobby reading storybooks.
Next.
Hello, my name is Marta Dinastianingrum. You can call me Reta. I'm 19 years old. My hobby is reading novel.
Okay, hello, my name is Naomi Sorandanya. You can call me Omi. I am 19 years old. My hobby is play volleyball.
Hi, my name is Gita Baiha. You can call me Gita. I am 19 years old and my hobby is watching movie.
Okay, so now we are gonna start our talk show. I would like to ask the question for Naomi, Reta, and Gita. According to you, what do you love the most living in the dormitory, Reta?
Okay, thanks for the question. What I like the most about living in dormitory is social life. So in a room I have 15 roommates and each of them is always supporting me.
Okay, for me, what I like about living in dormitory is the location. I think the location is very strategic, so I can access every place easily.
To me, living in a dormitory makes me meet a lot of people from different cultures, and then I can have a chance to learn about people's personality.
Okay, yeah, I love to meet a lot of people too. Next question. So next question is for all of you guys. How do you handle stress and academic pressure in the dormitory? Yundri?
In my opinion, what I do in the dormitory to deal with stress and academic stress, sometimes I am confide in friends and pray and confide in God, and I am stories to my brother and sister.
For me, how to reduce stress, I always try do my homework and tasks early. So in that finish, I have time for myself to relax, like listening to music and reading novel.
Okay, next, Naomi.
Okay, for me, always I feel stressed. I always go to gym and start to work out. That's helped me to reduce my stress.
To me, to handle academic pressure, I will always try to not waste the time and I do my assignments on time. And then to relax my mind, I will take a break sometimes and do some exercise like running in the morning. And I always pray to God to heal myself and I talk to Him about my problem.
Yeah, we always need to pray to God that really heal us. Next question, I would like to ask for Mareta and Yundri. What you have bits for keeping your dorm room clean and comfortable, Yundri?
My habit of keeping my room clean and comfortable is that I always make my bed after waking up, and I also always tidy up messy messy things, and I also always sweep and mop the room, and before leaving the room for others activities, and I also always make sure the room for clean and tidy.
Okay, Reta.
I always clean my bed daily and keeping things stay in the place.
Okay, yes, to keep it clean, yeah. And the last question is for Gita and Naomi. And Yundri, how do you balance social life and academic in the dorm, Yundri?
The way I do it is to studying at the with my roommates, and I also always chat with them and go for walks together.
Okay, Naomi.
For me, I will prioritize academic thing in the morning until afternoon. So in the evening, I can socialize.
To balance social life and academic, I will try to study with my friends and we do homework assignments together. And then sometimes in my free time, I would like to hanging out with my friends and we talking about our each other experience.
Alright. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you to all our guests today. It's nice to hear about your daily life and hobbies. See you in the next episode for Dormitory Talk. Bye bye. Bye bye.